This is your reading for today. Your cards are Death and Seven of Swords. The long road is always the best one, and in this reading today, please remember this line: the long road is always the best one. It can be dark, it can be winding, it can seem unending, and a shortcut may be very, very tempting to you, but knowledge will only come to you from the long road. Your perspective will always come to you from the long road. It will give you the space, time to zoom out and look at the big picture, and then zero in on what is the most important path to take. And when you do that, you will see that the knowledge which has come to you from leaning into the long road is giving you a clear path ahead. Now, some of you may be tempted to take the shortcut right now because the long road has been, like I said, unending. It has seemingly, you're thinking that it has put you in a place of lack. But what you are not being able to see is that some things are totally destined in this case, right? Try as much, you cannot do anything, and you have to surrender to God, divine, your Ishta, your Guru, or any energy, or to the universe, and say that I accept this and I'm willing to look at what it is trying to teach me. And as soon as you say these words, it will be as if you are opening the door for change in your life and you're walking towards peace. So remember to say this. You can repeat it as many times in a day as you want to. The line on surrender that I just mentioned to you, because over here, like I said, nothing is in your hands. It's all destiny or fate, and you are guided to surrender, which is why you have the long road, because there is something that you are missing, because you are very, very up close over here and you need to zoom out and you need to look at the bigger picture. That is why the long road, and the long road is always the better. Also, somebody over here who thought that they were being very smart and you would never find out about it, and this person had been putting you in a place of lack or in the dark for a very, very long time. Justice is coming over here. They will find that for all this time where they kept on doing this and they thought that, oh, nothing is happening, I can keep doing this, they will see that justice is finally catching up with them. And as they go ahead to do this, they will face a regulator, an invigilator, an authority who is going to find out what they were doing all this while. And again, this is happening now because the time is ripe right now. It is time for them, their karma is taking them to face justice and face the outcome of their actions. And for this person also, there is a lesson over here that the long road is always the best one. For you, if you stay on this road, a very hopeful, strong, steady beginning, one step ahead, but in a very, very small way, it is coming to you. Do not overlook it and think that it's just too small. It is your new beginning.